I'm going to show you how to make Chia Carob Mousse made with pecan milk. Now, I take 2 cups of pecans. Now, I have a high-speed blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you may want to soak these 8 hours overnight. But 2 cups of pecans that go right there. Then I'm going to add in 3 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts have a lot of selenium in them. Then I have about 3 cups of water. Now, the water you use is going to depend on what nuts you use. You can use any nuts you want. Put the top on. And before you do anything that makes noise, you use ear protection. Take the top off. The nuts have been blended. It's nice and creamy now. I'm going to take whatever flavor you want, but I use carob. What is carob? Carob, watch out for the puff back. Carob is a chocolate flavor without the caffeine. It comes from the carob bean, I believe. So I'm going to put a couple of scoops in there. And this is just for flavor, that's all. Again, you get a puff back with that, so it's fine powder. Then I'm going to take 2 scoops of chia seeds, which is about a 1/4 cup. And again, this is going to vary depending on what kind of nut milk you make with the nuts. Put this back on. You don't want to let the chia seeds sit in there very long because they'll clump up and get very gelatinous. And then you don't want to deal with that. So put the protection back on. We have a very, look at that, very creamy, mousse-like. Now, a lot of people make chia pudding with chia seeds, but this is actually much more like a mousse. So there you have it. Creamy chia mousse made with pecan milk, topped with some fresh raspberries. Delicious.